All of you are having session.
Hello everyone, my name is charan7 number 4. This is my second Java lab experiment. It is about the SLR parsing. As you can see over here, this is the code for SLR parsing. I have created a package first with experiment 7 compiler, and then import Java buffer reader, and then I have given import Java input string reader, and then import Java util array list, and import Java util the scanner which is required, and then I have created a class called array of stack, protected character of array, protected int, then I have given the top in size, public array of stack, and where the size will be equal to 20, and then I have created array equal to new character of size, and then I have initialized top to be equal to -1, public void of push of character I, and if top plus 1 is greater than or equal to size, throw new index out of bounds exception, overflow exception. If top plus 1 is less than size, array plus top equal to I, and then I have created a public character of pop, return array top minus public void display for int I equal to top, I greater than or equal to 0, I minus system of out dot print array of I, and then public class of ex7 of compiler, and then we will open this by giving the statement public static void main of strings, string of translation equal to new string of the size of the string, and then int of alpha set comma state set, array list of string will be alphabet and alpha, buffer reader br equal to new buffer reader of new and input stream reader of system.in, and then we'll give a print statement in order to enter the number of terminals, and we'll give this alpha set equal to integer dot parse int of br dot readline, then we'll give the plus, enter the number of non-terminals, system, and then again will be given with parse int of br dot readline, and then system dot out dot println will be given with press enter starting non-terminal in the grammar, enter all the terminals in the grammar simultaneously, and then we'll have a for loop where we'll initialize I equal to 0, I less than the alpha set, and I increment. Alpha set of I will be equal to br dot read of line. Br is the item that was created, and then alpha equal to new array of list, and then again another for loop is being opened for I equal to 0, I less than alpha set, and I increment. Alphabet dot add of alphabets of I, and then we'll give a print statement in order to print all the non-terminals simultaneously. Then there will be a string of alpha equal to new of string of start set. For this we will again create a for loop where for int I equal to 0, I less than or state set, and I increment, and we'll create another new array list for alpha where alpha equal to new array list. As we've given before, we'll give another for loop in order to add the alphas. The similar kind of the similar for loop is being repeated, and then you will be given the print statement where epsilon use will be given, and then you will be given creating another for loop for r equal to 0, r less than alpha set, and r increment, string int equal to br dot readline. Similarly, another for loop for s of state set and for r of alpha set is given, and the print statement of translation is given. And as you can see, we have opened a do while loop where system.out.print will give the input to the parser, end of the input line, etc. And then in order to push into the stack, we have given dollar int x is equal to index equal to 0, and similarly stack of display is given, character of 3, some character index is being given, and then string of character of 1, input of character is given, and alphabet of character is given, Similarly, we do it for the number of transactions that is possible. If this is not equal to null, then the string gives not accept command. Then we have a print statement, and then another for loop is given in order to find the length, where for int I equal to d, length of -1, comma I greater than or equal to 0, I increment, and then we'll be giving the stack push statement. And then we have an if else statement in order to pop out the elements present and push the elements present in the stack. Again, we have another elements in order to check the input of index of -1 equal to dollar or not. And the print statement parsing completed successfully. And then system.out.println, do you want to continue or not? This is in order to check if you want to continue or not. That is all, as is the input is somewhat bigger. I've given over here before. So the number of terminals I have assigned as 6, and the number of non-terminals I have assigned as 6. Enter the starting non-terminal in the grammar. Please enter all the terminals simultaneously. I have given the terminals which are needed. All the non-terminals also I have given. Now I want to enter the rows, entries, etc. So I have given the entries for transition table, row entries, like this I have given, and this will be the output, as you can see down. This will be the output for the given program. Parsing completed successfully. That's all.